Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Patrick Ta Secret Summer Mystery Bag. I am really excited because I've never had a mystery bag from Patrick Ta, so this is my first one, and I really wanted it to see what I would get. Hopefully we get some good items, good shades. I'm not really sure. This was $70. And it says that you get a $136 value in here. So we will see if we get a good value. I will look up the items and their prices to see if it adds up to $136. But very excited to open this up. So if you love videos like this from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay. First off, the bag is super cute, and the bag alone I feel like would be like $5. Anyways, the first product is this big boy right here. This is a face brush, dual-ended sculpting brush for contour 2. The perfect tool to create a softly defined look. Dual-ended brush made from the softest premium vegan bristles allows you to apply cream and powder formulas to contour and bronze the complexion with ease. Okay, I am actually really excited. I can't get this box open. I need a new really nice brush for bronzer and contour. So, and this is the brush. Very nice. You have that nice angle here for the contour, a nice brush for the bronze. So I find this to be a win in my book. I'm very excited. They feel really soft too. So hopefully this is a good brush. Not really sure, but we will test it out and see. Also, my cheeks are really pink because I am wearing the Patrick Ta Liquid Transition Blush. I tried it again today. I'm not sure. I really liked it initially, but now I'm just like, it's kind of a lot. And I have pink blushes that does the same thing. And then like the soft transition thing, I'm just like, you know, I'm kind of like over it. I feel like it's just like, you know, a little unnecessary. Okay, next up I have this here. This is the Major Dimension Eye Illusion Shadow Duo. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh no, why did it do that? Oh no. It's called I'm With Her, except for it fell out. Why did it do that? It's like not even in here. It's like, it's not even in here. It's just, okay. I see that's, I see why that's in the mystery bag. Okay. I'm gonna swatch. It's like, okay. The bottom one's really in there. This top one is not in there. Okay, that's not a good look. Okay. Top shade and bottom shade. I don't know. I'm not really impressed. I mean, I thought these were expensive too, and that's what I'm getting for expensive. These are like basic shadows, and you get 2. I wonder how much that is. I can't wait to look that up. Okay, so far I'm only impressed with the brush. Okay. Oh. This is a little baby sample. Pink Salted Caramel Major Moisture Smoothing Lip Balm, and it's half full. I can see, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but the product is right here. So you get just that bit. It's not even all the way full, so it's right here. I don't know if the camera can see that. Okay, well, just trust me, it's only right here. So you get 0.17 fluid ounces, which equals to 5 milliliters. So, okay, what does this smell like? Smells good. Okay, well, we'll use her. Okay. For $70 though, a little tiny sample product, not impressed. Okay. We have a lip plumping gloss, and this is in the shade 2CCs. I mean, oh, she smells really good, but yeah, okay, cool. Plumping lip gloss. And we have here the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. I guess you're getting like a good array of products for 70 bucks, but like, is it worth it? I don't know. Here's the blush. This is in the shade She's the Moment. It's like a coral orange. I'm not real sure if I'm ever gonna use her, because like if I'm gonna use like an orangey like coral blush, I would just use like my Ofra. But that's everything I got. I was just really curious what would come in the mystery bag. I'm really happy with the brush. So let's look up the prices really quick. Don't get mad at me. I was just buying this for science. Not that like I was gonna be blown away with the products that were gonna be in here. I just really wanted to see like the vibe, which I already know that mystery boxes are for getting rid of like product that's not selling very well, but let me go ahead and look up the prices of all these products really quick. Okay, so this brush is $46. Insane price, but at least I'm getting close to half my value back in the box, because I actually feel like I'm really gonna use this brush a lot. I think I'm really gonna like this. This little eye duo that is broken, $42. I remember this was being outrageously priced, but $42 for two shadows that are subpar at most, in my opinion, that you could just get from a Natasha Denona palette. Crazy. Okay, then we have this. So they don't have this little mini sample that you get for free in, you know, Sephora orders and stuff. Full size 15 milliliters is $25, and this is 5 milliliters, so $25 for 15 milliliters. You're missing 10 milliliters. Do the math. I don't know. Then we have this gloss here, which is $26. And then lastly, we have this blush, and this blush is 40 bucks. So the fact that you get this blush for 40 bucks and you get the two little eyeshadows for 42, that's crazy. So the total value is $154 if I'm not including the lip product, or the little mini product here. So take this out of the equation, $154, which is higher than the $136 value, and that's not including if you were to price the bag it came in, which is actually a really nice quality bag. So $70, $136. I'll keep this and use it. So I don't see myself using anything else in this. So I'm at like 30 bucks, but that's okay, because I'm going to be doing a declutter and I'm going to sell what I don't use. So at least I'll make my money back. But anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Obviously, we knew that these were going to be products that were going to be like, you know, not everybody would probably enjoy what you would get. We've done millions of mystery boxes on this channel. This is actually a really cute shade. I just don't need any new lip glosses right now. But this coming broken really annoys me. It annoys me so much. And then the swatches are just like subpar, and for the price, I think I'm more fixated on why is this so expensive for what it is. I don't know. But I'm not mad about the blush. It's just not a color I would use, but I feel like a lot of people love a corally orange blush. But anyways, I would give this out of 5 stars, like a 3. That's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Did you buy one? They're no longer available. Do you think you missed out? What other products were people getting in their bags? Little girl, no. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.